Hiro-san, back in the studio.
Yes.
Got a really delicious recipe. Something very popular with the public. And what are we making today, Hiro?
Salmon burger.
Salmon burger, right. You guys can find it in many grocery stores, frozen sections, and even fresh sections in your local supermarket. Here, let's go through some of the ingredients.
Yes. Number one, here's a Bacca Frost.
Bacca Frost salmon?
Salmon.
Oh, absolutely. And right now they're running a special for 2 weeks. Started on March the 22nd and going into April. So information down below, you can see it, and also in the description box. Make sure you get a little discount on there. Thank you, Bacca Frost, for sponsoring today's video. Okay, Hiro-san, what else?
And then also another main ingredient is rice.
Okay.
Because of today I am not going to use the regular burger bun.
Right.
I'm going to use the rice pate.
Okay.
So I'm going to use this steamed rice. And then here garlic, butter, mayonnaise, salmon egg, mushroom, and eggs.
Okay.
Kaiware, lettuce, red cabbage, onion, and salt and pepper.
Okay. So again, these ingredients are pretty easily found in your local supermarket. Except for this, you guys can again look it up, baccafrostshop.com. You guys will enjoy that. Okay, Hiro-san, what is the first
yes,
step?
first step I'm gonna make rice pate. I'm gonna use this one. Water a little bit.
How hard do you push it in there?
I do.
You want it firm, right?
Yes,
Pretty firm?
pretty much.
But not so firm, not all the way flattened, right? Yeah, this is another way to make the spicy tuna crispy rice. So we used to serve in the restaurant to use these molds. And then, yeah.
So I'm gonna keep this one here. If you have something press on from the top, would be nice.
Yeah.
At least I need a two.
Okay.
So then, just in case, I'm gonna make two more.
Okay.
This one I'm gonna keep in the freezer a little bit before fried up.
So at least for it to get hard, right?
Yeah.
30 minutes or so?
Yeah,
maybe
something.
more?
Yeah, maybe 15 minutes, something. I just need a little bit shape, a little bit hard.
Yeah.
The next one, I'm going to do onion and a mushroom with saute with a garlic and butter. the salt, pepper, fire off. Put into another bowl. Then this one just going to always put it down. Okay, next one I'm gonna make lettuce and red cabbage salad. Put into the bowl here. Next one, the red cabbage. Okay, just gonna put it here. Okay, salt and pepper. And the mayonnaise. Okay, and I'm gonna add the kaiware, a little bit kaiware here. And also the oba. Okay. Mix it up. Okay, next step, I'm going to chop up the salmon. I'll take the batch off. Okay, then I'm going to add this vegetable earlier I saute. Okay, then I'm gonna add the egg. But maybe one piece is maybe too much. Then maybe half of. Okay, this one I'm gonna keep in the cooler for at least 20 minutes in the cooler. So next one I'm gonna do this rice. I'm going to fry it up. The cornstarch both sides. A little bit of mayonnaise.
Wow, that is a
Double, how do
double
you call it?
salmon
Double,
burger.
double, right?
That's an in and out. Wow.
Okay.
Take a look at this. When I asked Hiro to do some of his beautiful back-of-house salmon, he came up with this salmon burger. Check this out. Absolutely stunning, beautiful. Hiro, looks gorgeous. I didn't expect this, but I can't wait to try it. Guys, like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. Check out the discount from back-of-house salmon for another week. Started on March 22nd and lasts for 2 weeks. Information down below and in the description box. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hiro, what a dish. What a burger. I don't know how to make this better. I mean, I don't know if you would add cheese or I don't know what else.
I was thinking to put it cheese, but since I changed it to the rice burger,
Yeah,
it just stay simple.
right. All right, Hiro, let's enjoy it.
Mm.
Unbelievable. Check that out.
The only thing, rice burgers, I cannot press too much, you know. Rice is
Yeah.
not gonna, not like a the amount, so okay.
Start looking there.
Mm.
How's it?
I mean, salmon, it's not overcooked, right?
Yeah. Wow, take a look on the inside.
Okay.
Oh, another bite. That looks so good. So my problem is, obviously I'm holding the camera. I'm going to use a fork and just kind of eat it like this, like a crab cake. Looks like a crab cake to me. Well, I hear the crunchiness from Hiro. And we gotta get some of this rice and part of the salad and of course the salmon. I love the creaminess. It must be the sauce and of course the salmon itself and your homemade mayo. And of course there's textures from that. The sushi rice that's been fried. Here it's all crunchy. I love that too. I love crunchy rice. The bottom of the rice cookers, it's kind of crunchy. But the taste is absolutely delicious. Really nice. And again, like you said, not overdone.
Mine is getting broken.
Oh, delicious.
Totally broken.
Creaminess of your sauce, texture of the rice and the akura. Really nice combination of flavors. So good. Well, hopefully you guys can try it. Very, very simple to do. You saw Hiro do it. And let us know how yours turned out. Tag us on Instagram and you'll see. Tag us on Instagram so we see it. And we're going to share it as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.